Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another stitch tutorial. I saw this pattern on Pinterest and I was so excited. I couldn't wait to try it, and it didn't disappoint. It was so much fun and it works up so quickly. I just thought it looked so unique, and the diamond patterns just really drew my attention. This would make such an amazing blanket or scarf. I actually thought about continuing on with this swatch that I made and just keep making a large scarf or a lacy baby blanket or a wrap or even a cardigan. This would be so pretty. But I couldn't wait to show you this stitch pattern today. So it jumped to the head of the line, and it's a 4-row repeat. The only stitches you need to know how to do are single crochet, chains, and triple crochets. And it's easier than you think. Please don't feel intimidated, and we'll go over all the steps so that you can make something with this really great pattern. If you're interested in seeing the written directions, they're going to be in the description box below, as well as instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos. The timestamps for all the rows will also be in the description box, so you can jump to any row that you need to, so you're not sifting through my entire video. You can use any yarn, any size hook that you want with this pattern. For today's tutorial, we're using Caron Simply Soft in white, and it's a size 4 medium weight yarn, and an H 5mm crochet hook. It's the one I always use. It's my favorite. So let's get started. Okay, so for this sample swatch, we're going to start with a chain of 20. And the most complicated stitch in this entire pattern is a triple crochet 3 together. And it's not as bad as it sounds. We'll go over every step so that you can work these stitches like a pro. For row 1, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 5, and here is where we're going to work our first triple crochet 3 together. So we'll skip one chain and we're going to use the next 3 chains to make the one stitch. To triple crochet 3 together, you're going to yarn over 2 times like you're going to do a regular triple crochet. So we're skipping that stitch. The first stitch, you insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, but you stop. Now you're going to yarn over 2 more times, and we're going to start working in the next stitch. We're going to repeat what we just did. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Now you have 3 on your hook, and we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and draw back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 4. From here, we're going to yarn over and draw through 3 loops, leaving you 2, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that is a triple crochet 3 together. And we're going to do that plenty more times, so you'll get to see a lot of it. From here, chain 5, skip one chain, and in the next chain, single crochet. So you're creating these mountain shaped patterns. So we'll repeat the pattern now. Chain 5, skip one chain, use the next 3 chains to triple crochet 3 together. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2, draw through 2, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull back through, draw through 2, draw through 2, one more time, yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. For the final steps, yarn over, draw through 3, yarn over, draw through 2, chain 5, skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next chain. And one more time, chain 5, yarn over twice, skip 1 chain, draw through 2, draw through 2, yarn over twice, insert into the next chain, draw through 2, draw through 2, one more time, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 5, skip 1 chain, and single crochet in the last chain. That is row 1. Row 2, chain 5, and this counts as a triple crochet and a chain 1. Single crochet in the chain 5 space from the previous row, chain 1, we're going to skip this stitch, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 1, we're going to work just one triple crochet in the next stitch. Just one triple crochet by itself. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, skip the stitch, chain 1, triple crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 1, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 1, and for your last stitch just a triple crochet in this final stitch. There you go. Row 2 was a bit easier than row 1. So here's where things get a little bit different. We're going to modify the triple crochet 3 together, and the center triple crochet is going to be wrapped around this post right here. But it's super easy. I'll show you exactly how to do it. For row 3, chain 3, turn your work. Now we're going to triple crochet, just one triple crochet in this chain 1 space. Chain 5, now if you remember from the previous row, we did a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet over top of the triple crochet 3 together. So in this chain 1 space, you're going to work a single crochet, chain 5, and now we're going to start our modified triple crochet 3 together. So you're going to be working in the chain 1 space on either side, and then the center post is going to be wrapped around this post here. So let's try a modified one. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain 1 space, yarn over and draw back through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over twice, insert your hook around the back of this post. Did you see how I did that? Yarn over twice, insert around the back of this center post, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's the only difference. For the third one, insert into the chain 1 space, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. That is the only difference, is it just goes around that post right there. So let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to skip this stitch. We're going to single crochet in the chain 1 space. And we'll repeat that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the first one goes in the chain 1 space, second one goes around the post, third one in the next chain 1 space. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 1, 2, yarn over, draw through 2, insert your hook around the post, pull up a loop, finish your, well, almost finish your triple crochet. One more time in the chain 1 space, draw through 2, draw through 2, yarn over, draw through 3, yarn over, draw through 2. Not too bad. And you'll be working these with the post the rest of the way. These normal ones down here, that was just for the foundation row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 5 again. And for this end part, you're going to work a triple crochet 2 together, which we already know how to do 3, so 2 shouldn't be as bad. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the first chain, draw through 2, draw through 2. We'll do that one more time in the next chain. Draw through 2, draw through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, so you're going to yarn over and draw through 2, then yarn over and draw through 2 one more time. That is the end of row 3. Row 4, chain 1, turn your work. You're going to single crochet in this first stitch, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 1, then we're going to triple crochet in this stitch from the previous row, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 1, single crochet, or skip this stitch, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 1, triple crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 5 space, chain 1, skip this stitch, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 1, triple crochet in the next stitch, chain 1. And for this last part, you're going to single crochet in the chain 5 space, and then 1 single crochet in the top of the triple crochet 2 together. And that is row 4. And once you get the hang of this, it is just going to fly. These stitches are so tall, your project is just going to grow so quickly. All right, one more row to show you for the repeat, where we get to do more triple crochet 3 together. Chain 1, turn your work. This is row 5. Single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 5. Now we're going to do another one of the modified triple crochet 3 together. In the chain 1 space, around the post, in the next chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through 3, oops, 3 not 4, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 5, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 5, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain 1 space, around the post, chain 1 space, draw through 3, draw through 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the chain 1 space, single crochet, in the chain 1 space, around the post, in the next chain 1 space, pull through 3, pull through 2, skip this stitch, single crochet in the last stitch. That is it for the repeat rows. I would recommend that if you're making something that you would end on a row 2 or a row 4 repeat. That would give you the flat edge for this, unless you wanted a scalloped look. But that is it for this stitch pattern. You just repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the pattern. And you will get this really cool geometric looking fabric. Oh, I just love it. I don't know what it is about it. I love it. I hope that you give it a try. This is the front. This is the back. And this is the pattern if it were turned on its side. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and comment below if you'd like to share what you would make with this pattern. I'd love to hear your ideas. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.